Welcome to day 29. For today's project, I will be making this cost-friendly spider candle holder. This piece could range anywhere from $50 to $100 or more at a home goods store. You can create this for under $20. You will need a spider dish and candle tray from Dollar Tree and a candle that you probably already have on hand. You don't have to, but I gave my tray a coat of black spray paint. Once dry, add the tray to the spider and top with your favorite candle and enjoy. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.